Hey, if you wonder how you can use your memory card with the POCO X6, unfortunately you cannot input it into the SIM slot because there's only support for the 2 SIM cards and there is no slot for the memory card. But when you have something like this, that's actually the USB adapter, you will be able to input your SD card just right here. There we go. And after this, we'll have to also enable the OTG connection. So we'll have to go into the settings, then click on the additional settings, and from here click on the OTG. Now turn it on with the switcher, and after this you can simply plug this adapter with your card into the USB-C port. So it is actually working like your pen drive, for example. And as you can see from here, we've got the information that we've got connected external storage. So click to explore, and now we've got access to our micro SD card on the POCO X6. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.